Foods to eat on the paleo diet.
On the paleo diet, you are encouraged to consume a variety of whole and unprocessed foods. This includes
Meat, beef, lamb, chicken, turkey, pork, and others. Fish and seafood, salmon, trout, haddock, shrimp, shellfish, etc. Choose wild-caught if you can.
eggs, maybe free-range, pastured, or omega-3 enriched.
Vegetables, broccoli, kale, peppers, onions, carrots, tomatoes, etc.
Fruits, apples, bananas, oranges, pears, avocados, strawberries, blueberries, and more.
Tubers, potatoes, sweet potatoes, yams, turnips, etc.
Nuts and seeds, almonds, macadamia nuts, walnuts, hazelnuts, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, and more. Healthy fats and oils, extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, and others.
Salt and spices,
Sea salt, garlic, turmeric, rosemary, etc. While following a paleo diet, many individuals choose to consume grass-fed meats, pastured eggs, and organic produce. However, it is not mandatory. Whenever possible, it is suggested to opt for grass-fed and organic products.